Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating systems and clearing the area so you can work safely. Once done, remove floor coverings and fixtures over the damage, then probe from the edges to find sound wood. Make straight reference lines and measure full sections to replace rather than patch piecemeal. This saves future problems. You should document thickness and fastener pattern, because when you cut out the rotten subfloor, you'll need matching pieces for strength and a flush finish. Now you cut and remove the bad subfloor, keeping blades set to the subfloor thickness to avoid tearing ribs. Once removed, inspect joists for rot or moisture. Replace or sister any that are soft because a new panel needs solid support. Treat adjacent wood with a preservative. Allow it to dry. While you're in the cavity, secure or reroute wiring and plumbing, and use a shop vac plus fans to remove dust and moisture so adhesive and fasteners bond properly. Cut a replacement panel to fit snugly and dry fit it. Then apply a waterproof construction adhesive and fasten with screws into joists every 6 to 8 inches for rigidity. Make sure seams are supported and sealed with waterproof tape and a compatible sealant to prevent future intrusion. Once cured, reinstall underlayment and your finished flooring. If you detect movement or squeaks, tighten screws or add blocking. This troubleshooting step fixes most fit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.